Hello everyone, welcome to Ganiva Air channel. If you are someone you want to import quality phones from China that you don't want to be scammed or no stress, then this video is for you. I am Ganiva, and on this channel we build ourselves through finances, business and personal growth. So if you are new here, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. So why China? China is a hub of electronics from Apple, Samsung and Android phones, which means that you have a wider range of selection and you have a more profit margin that you are going to get. Before we talk about how you can import quality phones from China, let's talk about types of phones in China. Phones in China are either made there or they are made in other places and they are assembled in China. So we have many types of phones in China, or you can put it that we have categories of phones in China. So we have the brand new phones in China, which means that it's going to cost more because it has never been used before. We also have the refurbished phones in China, or the slightly used phones in China, which means that they've upgraded some system or components the phone and they are now selling it. We also have used phones in China, which means that it has been used and they've repaired maybe the battery, the board or that. So if you are buying from China, you should know which of these phones that you are buying. Is it a brand new phone? Is it refurbished, or it is used phones? Now, where do you get to buy quality phones from China? You can buy phones from Alibaba, or you can also buy from 1688. But if you don't want to go through the stress of finding phones on both Alibaba and 1688, I have a full course, very affordable, that I've taken my time to talk about all phone suppliers. I've also shared my experience and I've read them how their service was when I was buying my phones from them. And they don't only sell phones, they also sell laptop, phones accessories, smart TVs, electronics and everything gadget. So you can actually check the course in the description of this video to get access to them. These Chinese suppliers are also on WhatsApp, so you can just add them to your contact and chat them on WhatsApp. They are also on WeChat, so if you are someone that you are on WeChat, you can just chat them and communicate with them and get this phone. In this course too, I've included how you would communicate with them if it is your first time you are buying, how you communicate with them, the paying agent and everything. It is in this course, so do well to check it. If you are interested, then you can actually buy it. Now let's go to the next thing. Now, how do you get a good supplier? So if you are using 1688 or Alibaba, this is how you can get a good supplier. Whenever you are buying this phone, please check comment section. Check if people are giving good reviews. Check if people are coming back again to buy it. Check if they have a lot of experience. That's the store that you are buying. Don't go and buy from a new store that is not going to give you a review. Or maybe you can be one of the people to buy from a new store and come back to comment in the comment section of how your experience or the product is. But if you don't want to using your money to test the waters, then you should buy from stores that have a lot of experience. So buy from a supplier who has a lot of good reviews, and also you can chat these suppliers either on 1688 or Alibaba to give you a live video of the phone. You can also ask the supplier to give you IMEI to confirm if it is original phone. You can also ask the supplier all these questions about the categories of phones or the types of phone, ask the supplier, is this new, it is refurbished, is this used phones? You should ask all these questions. And if the supplier is not giving you all these things, then you shouldn't rush to buy from him or her. Now let's talk about shipping company. How you are going to ship your phone. Phones are really sensitive items, they are really fragile. So if you are shipping it, you should have a trusted shipping company that can handle your phone very well for you, especially when you are using sea shipment. Just as I had a bad experience, well, it's a bad experience. Just as I had a bad experience that my shipping company gave me my CBM, and when he saw that I was using the phone using sea shipment, then he increased my price. He didn't tell me that using sea shipment for phones is going to cost extra, but when he saw it, now he's telling me it's going to cost extra. So if you are using sea shipment to ship your phones, please tell the supplier to add that logo of fragile on your package, and ask the shipping company that, please, if I'm using your sea shipment, is it going to cost me an extra with my phone? Just ask this before later they would come and tell you that, hey, it's a sea, you are using phone, so please add extra. Okay, so if you want to have a shipping company that can ship for you, I have a course in the description box. You can check it as well. They are trusted shipping companies. I'm so sorry, it's only for Ghanaians, that you can use to ship from China to Ghana. Now, let's talk about profits. So, when you are buying from China and you want to sell the phone to make profit, let me give you a real quick example of the profit that you can make. So I saw S Ultra, I think 23, in a phone shop that was 5,000, but from this supplier that I have, this is the price of the phone in yuan. So when you change it to my cities or dollars, this is it, which means that, let's say shipping fee, you use sea shipment and it cost you 30 cedis, which my phone was, I think, 20 cedis or 30 cedis, but since the shipping company saw that it was a phone, they gave me 100 cedis. So you should ask them, as I said, that please, if you use sea shipment for phones, does it cost extra? Just like I told you. So let's come back to the calculation that we are doing. So this is the price in my currency, and this is the price in dollars, and this is the price that I saw at the shop. Now let's say the shipping fee is 30 cedis, at most 40 cedis, and you add it, which means that you are going to make a profit of this. So buying from China also comes with a lot of profit, especially when it is phone that is really expensive in the location that you are. Now let's talk about the common mistakes people do when they are buying from China. Don't buy just because the price is cheap. Don't rush to buy just because the supplier sent you screenshots. Trust only live videos, and don't be impatient because the supplier is not chatting you early or replying you early. Please wait for them to reply you, because they are really working with a lot of people in their DMs. And please do well to always ask for battery health. Always ask if it is brand new, refurbished, or used phones. You should also always tell your suppliers to put the fragile logo on your box, that's the package, when he or she is sending it to the shipping company, so they will know that this item is fragile. And if you have any other mistakes that we all have to prevent when we are shipping our phones and I didn't say it, please let me know in the comment section. I mean, let us know in the comment section. So this is how to import quality phones from China. If you are someone that you've imported phones from China before and you have any experience that you want to share with us, please let us know in the comment section. Especially if you had challenges, let us know so that we would all learn from it before we buy phones from China. And please do well to check my phone's importation course. Check out if you are interested, then you get it. If you are not interested, then please you stop. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video to this part, and I really appreciate you, like, from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate you for watching. I just want to tell you that I appreciate you for watching this video. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to this amazing community and be part of this beautiful amazing community. If you are someone you want to learn more about mini importation, about business, about growing yourself as an individual, then you need to also subscribe to the channel as well. I post every week, so do well to join the community. If you have anything that you want Ganiva to talk about as well, you know I'm here for you, right? I'm actually here for you. So just let me know in the comment section and I would help you. I will gladly help you if I can. Thank you so much for watching the video. I will end the video here. Like this video, subscribe, share, comment, and thank you so much for actually doing that. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, please take very good care of yourself. Ganiva, different sides. Real success. Bye.